Ever pondered why people avoid walking under ladders or shudder at the sight of a black cat crossing their path? Superstitions, intriguing yet bewildering, have found their way into the fabric of our society. They are often passed down through generations, shaping our behaviors and beliefs without us even realizing it. What if we told you that these common superstitions are more fiction than fact? Today, we're setting off on a journey to explore and debunk these common superstitions. So buckle up as we dig deep into the roots of these eerie beliefs and unravel their truths. Scene script. Superstitions, they've been around for centuries, but where did they originate? The answer lies in our human history, and often our attempts to make sense of the unexplainable. Take the belief that breaking a mirror brings 7 years of bad luck. This superstition can be traced back to the Romans, who invented the glass mirror and believed that life renewed itself every 7 years. So breaking a mirror would disrupt this cycle and bring misfortune. Similarly, the superstition about walking under a ladder has its roots in medieval times. Back then, a ladder leaning against a wall formed a triangle, which was seen as a symbol of the Holy Trinity. Walking through it was considered blasphemous and thus unlucky. And the notion of opening an umbrella indoors bringing misfortune? This started in 18th century London, where the spring mechanism in umbrellas was so strong, opening one indoors could cause serious injury or damage. So as you see, superstitions often started as mere attempts to make sense of the world around us. Now that we've traced the origins of these superstitions, it's time to debunk them. Superstitions, fascinating as they may be, lack one fundamental aspect to make them universally applicable scientific evidence. The backbone of our understanding of the world, science, does not support these beliefs. Take, for instance, the superstition that walking under a ladder is bad luck. This has more to do with avoiding a potential safety hazard than any mystical misfortune. Rational thinking is another tool we can use to debunk superstitions. The belief that breaking a mirror brings 7 years of bad luck seems far-fetched when we apply logic. The origin of this superstition can be traced back to the Romans, who believed that life renewed itself every 7 years. However, in reality, the consequences of breaking a mirror are more likely to be a safety risk from shattered glass and the cost of replacement, not a 7-year curse. Moreover, factual information often disproves superstitions. Black cats, for example, are often associated with witchcraft and bad luck. But in reality, they are just like any other cats, with the same feline behavior and characteristics. The color of their fur doesn't determine their nature or our fate. In conclusion, superstitions are intriguing cultural phenomena, but they shouldn't dictate our actions or decisions. Remember, superstitions only have power over us if we let them. It's essential to separate fact from fiction and not let unfounded beliefs dictate our lives.